Hello everyone, this is Nitesh Khanduja and this is my project name mazeSolver. I have made this project using Python and we have over 3 files over here, that is mazeSolver, genrate.maze and readme. This is the readme file right now you are seeing. It generates and generateMaze.py generates the maze of by default by 4x4, or you can make it of any length m by n. And using the mazeSolver file, this one which uses the BFS bit for search to find the path and DFS and dijkastra to find the shortest path, we have over here. Let's generate a maze. Let's generate a maze in our terminal. We will write Python generateMaze.py. Let's the value by enter the value of n by 4 m. Let's write 4. It has generated a maze. Let's see our input. So we can see over here it has generated a random maze. We can edit it since none of them are connected. So let's connect and see what happens next, right? So let's see if it is working or not. So over here we have an input, right? So let's see where it can find the shortest way. By here we have to start from here and we have to end it over here. So let's start our mazeSolver.py. Python mazeSolver.py. We have to do Input.txt. We have output.txt. Now we have to give the source. Now we have to give the destination. Let's see if it's work or not. And it finds the shortest path over here. So our mazeSolver is working and generate.maze is also working. Generate.maze generally makes an maze and does the input in this input.txt file, and mazeSolver solves the maze and gives the output.txt. Rest all you can see in my GitHub. Thank you.